Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So today I'm here with a new command that is NBTSTAT. So you all know who are following the videos on my channel. So last 3-4 videos I'm discussing about the network troubleshoot command. Now it's a question why I am discussing about it. What happens? Everything when it functions, it runs. Several troubles may come. So, as an engineer, as an IT person, what we should know, when the problem will come, very promptly, we have to troubleshoot that issue. So, when we are going to troubleshoot those issues, we should have some tools. Like in home, if anything happens, we look for the tools, whether it is an electricity issue or whether it is a plumbing issue. What happens? We used to run to find the tools for that respective work. Same way in the network, when we find any trouble is there, then as an engineer, we have to troubleshoot all those things very promptly. And for which we need several commands. There are several command line tools are there for troubleshooting the network, among which that is one is the NBTSTAT. So what is the NBTSTAT? NBTSTAT stands for NetBIOS over TCP IP statistics. Is it clear? What actually it is also Windows command line tool, and it is used for resolving name resolution issues of NetBIOS name. So you can see here some new terms are coming. First is the name resolution. Second is also NetBIOS name. So why not to first we should understand what is name resolution and what is NetBIOS. So let's see. What happened? Suppose I have configured a network and you know the moment I assign this IP, all are my host. So every host has a host name. So you see here the host name of this PC is PC1, this PC is PC2, third PC is PC3 and fourth PC is PC4. These are the host name. That is the name of the host in the network. But you see in the first PC, we have installed Windows 7. Here is Linux, here is Unix, here is Mac. What the question is then, what is NetBIOS name? So the computer in which Windows operating system is installed, that computer's host name is called as NetBIOS name. Am I clear? That means the computer in which Windows operating system is installed, that computer's host name is called as NetBIOS name. Okay, so here I cannot say PC2, PC3 and PC4. These are the NetBIOS name. Okay, here PC1 is only the NetBIOS name, but all are the host names. Am I clear? Now, next, the question is that what is name resolution? So what is name resolution? What happens in a network? In the DNS class, I also told that we cannot remember the IP address of the host. So we have to take the support of any server who can resolve the name. So what is name resolution? Name resolution is the technique used for assigning and resolving host name and NetBIOS. Is it clear, everyone? So this name resolution service are two types. One is the WINS is giving this service, another is DNS is giving the service. Am I clear? Now, first question we have to understand, it's good. WINS will give me the name resolution service. DNS is also there to support us. But the question is that what type of naming architecture is there? If you see, you can see naming architectures are two types. One is the flat naming, another is the hierarchical naming. What is flat naming? In a LAN, what is the small network? It is very easy to maintain the unique name of the devices. Suppose in a small group of people, you can very easily remember the name. There no technique is required to remember the name of the person because it's a very small group. It is very easy to remember. So the same in here, whatever the name I'm calling the user, that is the flat, is it? I don't need to use any technology to remember that person's name because very less number of people. But if it is a large network where multiple people can have the same name, then how can I identify the particular human being? At that moment, I have to take lots of parameters to remember that person's name. Is it clear? Those parameters, when we are adding with the particular human being, then very easily, uniquely, I can identify a person among several people. And that type of name is called the hierarchical name. Is it clear, everybody? So in a LAN, every computer has a unique name and it is easy to remember as the number of devices are very less and it is flat naming architecture. But in the hierarchical naming architecture, what happens? So we will see in large network like internet, more than one devices can have the same name that I told you. And here you cannot use the flat naming architecture because if you call a device by a name, maybe same name have been assigned to the several devices, then who will respond? So in large network, every device associate with its host name and domain name. And you know this is called as FQDN, fully qualified domain name. And this FQDN is very much easy to qualify a host in the internet. Is it clear? This is called hierarchical naming architecture. Now, here is the question when the naming architecture is different. Of course, name resolution service provider service will be also different. So when it is the flat naming architecture, then WINS was the master. The moment hierarchical naming architecture came in picture, then DNS is the master. Actually, WIN is the Microsoft proprietary protocol. Yes, everyone. So it only able to resolve the Windows OS based systems name. That means NetBIOS name. But DNS works in a broader aspect. It works in the heterogeneous platform. That means if you configure a network where multiple devices are they are having different types of OS installed, in that critical situation also DNS if enough smart to provide the name resolution service. So that's why nowadays industry believes in the DNS server. If we deploy the DNS server in our network, it very easily provides a name resolution service irrespective of the operating system installed in my host of the network. So that is why WINS was Microsoft owned proprietary and it resolves NetBIOS name to IP and IP to NetBIOS name because Windows Internet Naming Service. So of course it will go for the NetBIOS name. But if you go for the DNS, my dear, is an open standard protocol. So you can understand open standard means what? For everyone. And its name resolution service provides a heterogeneous networking environment. That is all operating system. Whether it is Microsoft, Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac, Novell's network. So in hierarchical naming architecture, who is the suitable? DNS is suitable. Okay. So I told you what is the NetBIOS name that I have mentioned over here. You can go through these notes very easily. So NetBIOS name, the device name in which Windows operating system is installed. And what is the FQDN? Where the host name is qualifying with its domain names, then we call it as a what? That is FQDN. So what happens in a network when I want to resolve NetBIOS name? At that moment, I can use this command that is NBTSTAT. Okay. So there are several switches are there. So I will show you one by one. So first you see, if I go for NBTSTAT space minus, then it shows locally registered NetBIOS names of PC. So come over here, I will see NBTSTAT space minus A. You can see yes or no. This is host name. This is registered. It is showing that. Come here. Again, I will go for the next command that is minus RR. This command release and again register all names. Okay. So it will release and again re-register. Sorry, capture. Hello, what it is saying? NetBIOS name registered by this computer have been refreshed. RR, is it? Refresh and re-register. Fine. Come to the third command, that is -R. This command purges and again reload the names which are cached from the LMS host file. So come over here. I'm giving again the next command. It is a singular and you see what happens. Successful purge and preload of NBT remote cache name table. Is it? Now coming to the next command. What happened? That is NBT are smaller. It is showing how many names are resolved via broadcast and wins. Sorry, wins as resolved. So let's see. I'm giving the small r. Okay. What it is showing? NetBIOS name resolution and registration statistics. Resolved by broadcast 0, resolved by name server, resolved by broadcast is 24. Okay. You are getting the output now. Okay. Now, shows the content of the NetBIOS name. You want to see it, so I'm going for the command. See, you see, every adapter you will get the details, yes or no. Have you observed it? Whether it is VMware network or whether it is the physical adapter. Okay. So in that way, you can practice all these commands. Is it clear, everyone? So you all just practice all these commands. I think you will get the output the way I showed you. If any issue, just you put in the comment box. I will give you the resolution. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I think you all are enjoying the videos. So of course, it will be my request if you put a comment for these videos, then of course I can understand that you people are enjoying the videos. Okay. Thank you.